Meaning of flightless.
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 Flightless. Flightless refers to animals that are unable to fly. These creatures have either lost the ability to fly over time, or never developed wings capable of sustained flight. Flightlessness has evolved independently in several groups of animals, including birds, such as ostriches and penguins, insects, such as beetles, and mammals, such as bats. Without the ability to fly, these animals often develop other adaptations to help them survive, such as faster running speeds or specialized diving abilities. Overall, flightless animals illustrate the diverse ways in which organisms evolve and adapt to their environments.